Hey folks, welcome back to DIY Buddy Guy. Today I'm going to show you how I installed a backup high temperature limit switch to this digital one here. This digital one has a high temperature lockout. When it reaches that point, it just came on. It's set for 180 degrees. But we all know how trustworthy and reliable electronic devices are. So I installed a mechanical backup, which is right here. It's a Honeywell Aquastat with a temperature sensing bulb. And I clamped the temperature sensing bulb to the pipe, put some thermoconductive grease on the sensor bulb, and then insulated it. And I set that to, you can adjust the temperature on that Aquastat to cut out. So this high limit switch is set for 180, and then obviously the temperature continues to rise because the heat continues to transfer up. So this high limit is set to 180. The high limit of that Aquastat up there is set to 185. In the event that this thing fails to shut down the boiler, the mechanical Aquastat will. And the way that I wired that in is most boilers work the same way. Right here in the gas valve, let me grab my flashlight. This gas valve is 24 volts. So the controller, when the boiler calls for heat, will send 24 volts to this gas valve through these two leads right here. The gas valve will open, send gas down to the burners, and because there's a pilot, might be able to see the pilot up there somewhere. The pilot will allow the gas to ignite across the burners. When this Aquastat here senses the boiler's reached temperature through this temperature probe wire all the way back here, it goes into that well, this one, it tells the boiler to shut down. But again, as a mechanical safety backup, I hooked up this one here, and the way that I wired it in is in series. So I took the 24 volts from the gas valve, and I spliced into it here. I sent the 24 volts up to the mechanical switch, through the mechanical Aquastat, and back to continue to complete the circuit. So in the event that this Aquastat doesn't shut the boiler at 180, that Aquastat it'll open the contacts and then stop sending electricity to the gas valve, which would close the gas valve and shut down the burner. As always, don't try this at home, and thanks for watching.